The Age of Revolution 1830 to 1848. In this chapter, we will go through the impact of France Revolution and the things that helped the people for creation of nationalist feelings and revolt against the monarch for a political change in other regions of Europe. Students, you might remember the Bourbon king who was restored to power after this Treaty of Vienna was overthrown later by the revolutionaries, and they installs a constitutional monarchy with Louis Philippe as the head of the government then after. This event that changed the political structure of France spreads to other parts of Europe. And there is a very interesting statement made by this Duke Metternich, the person who was related with the Treaty of Vienna. He made a very interesting statement. When France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold. And the first country to catch the cold due to France sneeze was Belgium. Belgium was under the United Kingdom of Netherlands. A monarch used to rule the United Kingdom of Netherlands. But the July Revolution, which sparked an uprising, a conflict, finally it led to Belgium becoming an independent nation state. During that period, an event that had impacted most among educated elite across Europe was the Greek War of Independence. Greece was a part of Ottoman Empire since the 15th century. The growth of revolutionary nationalism in Europe sparked off a struggle for independence among the Greeks, which started from the year 1821. And the people of Greece were supported by other Greeks living in exile, and also many West Europeans supported Greek, who sympathizes for ancient Greek culture. Poets and artists praised and admired Greek's past history through songs and writings, and mobilized public opinion to support its struggle against the Ottoman Empire. Among the Western sympathizers who supported Greek War of Independence was English poet Lord Byron, who organized funds and later went to fight in the war, where he died of fever in the year 1832. Finally, the Treaty of Constantinople of 1832 reorganized Greece as an independent nation.